going to show you how my place looked like after I moved in year 2021. As you can see, my front garden and my back gardens are still fresh. Tapos ang mga tanom, baguay papud na siya na kung kipang tusok diha sa yuta. Most of my plants came from my friend, and she organized some of those plants in pots. Come inside the house. Mao niya akong gamay nga dining area, tapos mao niya akong lounge area. As you can see, every corner has plants. Kay obsessed kayo ko sa plants from the start. Gusto na ako nga daghan kayong plants sa sud sa balay. Mura po kugihan kayo mo maintain. So mo to akong kitchen. Tapos mo niya akong laundry. Og spare toilet. My plants gihapon. I'll take you upstairs. But that's my garage there. And every corner again has plants. My daughter's bedroom now. My son's bedroom. And this is the main bathroom with plants. Akong duha ka anak ang gamitan na niya. My bedroom. Every corner has plants as well. My TV. My own bathroom with plants still. Hindi pwedeng mamis na. Tapos akong veranda. Kamay pa ng pots diha, plants, pero karon daghan na. Ayaw di ko pangutan na kung sa itsura na nga ron, ha? Until next time.